So JC, I know that you've been working on your sommelier exam, and I think that's really awesome. I think it's a great artistic outlet for you. And in the past, we've talked about how you've been relating it to technical analysis, and when you're going through the wines in your exam and you're doing your homework, you can't help but think about technical analysis and how it relates to wine. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Well, the market and charts in general tend to be on my mind quite a bit. It's like a thing. So it's hard not to relate, but it's really interesting, particularly the weight of the evidence. You know, we're inclined to look at a glass of wine and just be like, that looks like a Pinot. But the idea is to look at it, then smell it, then taste it, and all along the way, once we're done, then we weigh the evidence and be like, you know what? This is most likely a Syrah from Australia or whatever it is, or you know, maybe a Chateauneuf from southern France, for example. And in the market is the same thing, right? You see a signal, or unfortunately, many people see a news headline, and it's like, oh, we need to sell stocks because of this, or buy stocks because of it. But the idea is to take whatever indicator it is that you use and put it into context with everything else that's going on, right? And instead of just taking one little data point and making such a strong decision, in the case of the market, it could be dangerous. In the case of getting wine wrong, it's the risk is much less because we're still drinking wine. But I think the biggest comparison, I think, is definitely take a step back and weigh all the evidence and make a weight of the evidence-based conclusion. That's what I think.